The Sharia courts of Kano have been in the news recently over missing money kept in the custody of the court before distribution to the rightful owners. Speaking over the missing money, the Chief Registrar of the Sharia Court, Abubakar Khalil, said 100 million naira was first withdrawn from the account before another 300 million naira was later withdrawn. He said they only realized the missing monies when they needed to settle some persons and discovered that only 9 million naira was left in the account.
There's one particular case at Upper Sharia Court involving some huge amount of money. When the judge passed judgment and he ordered for the distribution of the asset to the heirs, we realized that the only remaining balance that we have is only 9 million. So this, prompted of establishing or setting up a committee in our side. We formed a committee of 3 people who worked day and night. Eventually, they came with the report that there are some exorbitant amount amounting to 300 million kept in that bank, but they're missing.
When asked about the signatories to the accounts, the Chief Registrar said he and the Director of Finance were responsible for both accounts. He claimed that both signatures were forged by the syndicates and their numbers disconnected from receiving any bank alert.
The signatories of this account are Director Finance and my humble self, Chief Registrar. But what happened there is that the papers or documents that they used in just paying these missing monies, they are taking our forged signatures. That's the face. When they were just taking this money, they blocked even the alert system. None of us, neither I nor the Director of Finance that had an alert. How can you imagine that a bank like this, they don't have the system of e-system? So when we phrase this issue now, they brought some of them. It is upon the, bringing of these instruments that we found that all the signatures there were forged, and the forms written on them, they're not emerged from us.
The matter is already before the Kano State Public Complaints and Anti-Corruption Commission for further investigation.